I have to say, folks, with Mother's Day around the corner, you're not going to want to miss this, because I have Garrett with AgeLess Zen, and we're going to talk about those Mother's Day gift sets, and I have to say, this is lovely.
Awesome. You know, finding that last-minute gift for mom is very crucial. You can easily go to the grocery store and buy flowers for them, and they'll die 2 to 3 days later.
Right.
But why not have all of that put together in a Mother's Day kit? It's a complete skincare routine that we've put together for you.
Well, you know, and I was looking at the website. These are marked down. There's a wonderful discount there. But the one thing that I am loving that you are including in these gift sets are these beautiful silk scarves.
Definitely. I was so happy whenever they came in how nice they are. They're silk satin scarves, and they're the perfect complement to this. You know, giving a gift to mom as part of a skincare routine, the scarf is kind of like the cherry on top.
Well, I have to say it is rather lovely, lovely. Let's talk about what you have in this particular skincare package here.
Sure. So you know, in a skincare routine, there's a cleanser. We have a serum mist. We have our night cream and day cream moisturizer. We also have 2 different types of serums of hyaluronic acid and a very popular multi-C with different types of vitamin C in there. So it's the complete skincare routine that mom could fathom and want for
well, myself, we know that I use this particular product, and I have to say, over the last 6 months, I really have seen an improvement. And people do ask me, you know, are you doing something different? Or, you know, what is it that you're using? And of course, it is AgeLess Zen.
And the scarf.
And the scarf. It's definitely AgeLess Zen and the scarf. Very quickly here, because we've got about 35 seconds left to wrap this up. Okay. Where can they order this, or where can they pick this up at?
Sure. So you can easily visit AgeLessZen.com. That's a quick stop shop to go to. You can visit the Mother's Day special there. You can also come by our lab. I think the hardest part is going through a store and trying to figure out what you need to pick out. But come by, try it out before you purchase.
All right, folks, you heard it right here. This is the perfect gift for Mother's Day, and I have to say, Garrett's going to have to tackle me for this scarf on the way out. Thank you, Garrett.
Thank you so much for having me.